Our body is raging because we didn't give them a baby, and oh well, not in this economy. Hi ladies, the task for today is for you to remain warm, calm, collected, if you can, on our first day. Hi, your girl is going through it because her lady days have started. So today I'm gonna walk you through everything I do to make myself feel better. I thought I wanted to go to the gym, but since it's the first day, I don't think it's a good idea. It's not a good idea at all. Because I have a little bit of pain, what I normally do on the first day at least is buy a heated pad. Just walk around with it, and it's like 8 hours. This is the pad. You kind of glue it near your ovaries. Or you can put it in the back, but I never have pain in the back. My pain is mostly concentrated here. And then during the night, I just use the seeds that you can warm up in the microwave, or I use a hot water bottle. It depends on how hot I am. But since the days are starting to get really, really cold, I'm just gonna use the hot water bottle. But to sleep, at the moment, I stopped using my cup. So I got some night pads. They are vegan and they're supposed to be good. So that's what I intend to use. We'll see. Now, what I eat on my lady days is quite important. I always start my day with the black tea, either way. Now I've been adding some Oatly on my morning tea, which is kind of nice. Oh, so good. And I always, or Matt tries to get me my favorite cookies for breakfast on these days because it's kind of difficult for me to have appetite. And I'm gonna keep the day having a lot of fruit, a lot of liquids. And for dinner, I will be making a vegan steak because it's high in protein, iron, and those are the things that I need at the moment because, we are losing blood. Just finished my protein shake. I don't think I will be going to the gym today, but nonetheless, I've been boiling or steaming some corn. I think it should be ready. I love corn in a cup. Today will be all about the things that I like the most. I think this is set. Ooh, hot. Oh, so hot. It is hot. So good. I feel like eating corn is it's like the most African thing I do and I kept. And it reminds me always of my mom. Was growing up, every time we were in Guinea-Bissau, I just devoured corn. And when I traveled to Malawi and I was living there for 6 months, I used to have corn every single day. Not just one, but the way they do corn is a bit different. At the moment I just steamed corn, but if you haven't been to any African country, you know that most of it they roast corn on the sides of the road, and then you can just have roasted corn like on a charcoal. Is just the best snack you could ever have. Oh, I used to eat so much, and that's what I miss the most, I think. That and the unlimited mango and avocados. But well, so here we have. It's hot now. I just steamed it. I tried to put it in the air fryer, but because of these small hairs on the corn, it always sticks to the vents, and then it kind of burns, and nobody wants that smell in the house. So, one for you, and one for me. So good! Let's try. For me, the best way to eat corn is like this. From here, there, because if you eat it like that, sometimes it gets stuck between your teeth, and nobody wants that trouble today. Perfect snack to keep your hands warm also. Yummy! Yummy! Nutrition can play such a big part in how you feel during your period. Here are some of my suggestions to make your body feel more at ease and comfortable during your cycle. I would advise you to prepare some foods and have them stacked in the freezer, because during these days most of us feel lethargic, or with life there's so much going on that sometimes it's just easier to have a sheet meal on your freezer that you know that is nutritious and that you like. I also would advise you to always make sure that you stay warm and that you drink some teas. It doesn't need to be green tea like I have. I make a lot of herbal tea as well. I made pizza and I have some leftovers. This was a gift from me from the past. Thank you, previous Vanessa. You are quite a good woman. I'm not sure if I'm able to finish the 4 slices, but you gotta see it through. Oh, so hot. Guys, that was a bit pick me of me, wasn't it? Pick me of me is saying, I don't know if I can finish. Of course I could finish. I need to catch the pick me inside of all of us and slap her. I did finish. I will finish all my pizza, but I couldn't finish all the corn just because I want to have some in them tomorrow, and everything closes on Sundays here in Switzerland. That's the only reason I'm not finishing. Go-to during this time of the month is to have the rich in iron, like tofu, lentils, beans, or this vegan mock meat. I also include a lot of leafy greens because magnesium is great for cramping. You know that I eat cheese every single day, but healthy fats also help. And I try to include something that has an extra boost of calcium and vitamin D. And for me, was the morning protein shake that I had. I make sure that I limit my processed sugars, but you know that I love my cake for breakfast, so it's all good. Thank you for spending the day with me. Don't forget, for my ladies, this day is for you to feel good, for you to pamper yourself and eat whatever you want. These are the days that are a little bit more hard to be who we are, but still, we keep pushing. There's only 2 more periods before the end of this year, so stay strong. Appreciate it, ladies, always. I'll see you on my next video.